Hello. How are you today?
I'm scared.
Don't worry. I'm not a monster. I'm just a dentist. Open your mouth, please.
Oh,
Wow. I can see remnants of your breakfast in your mouth.
oops.
Tell me, how do you brush your teeth?
I run some water over my toothbrush. I squeeze toothpaste onto my toothbrush. I move my toothbrush up and down and back and forth. Then I take some water, swish it in my mouth, and spit it into the sink.
Good. But before brushing, you need to floss.
Oh, the string thing?
Yes. It's this tiny rope you use between your teeth.
Does it hurt?
Only a little. Don't worry.
Okay, I'll try.
Good. Brush, floss, and no more breakfast hiding in your mouth.
Deal.